Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today we are going to make peanut butter smoothie. The ingredients that I'll be using today are 1 glass of yogurt, 2 bananas, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 1 glass of milk. Guys, before we proceed, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel if you have not and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being my support system. I appreciate you all and I love you all. Let's go direct to preparing the smoothie. I will start by adding the bananas. These bananas, make sure you cut them in not big pieces like the ones that I have. Cut like this. Always make sure that your hands are clean. Then I will add my milk, glass of milk. I will also add my yogurt. Then I will add my peanut butter. So I will blend this until I get the texture that I want, and then I will show you the end product. I'll take my blender, then I will close the lid with the lid. So I've gotten the texture that I want. This is the texture that I want. And it's looking so yummy. And I love it. I'll serve the smoothie. I will add some groundnuts on top. You can also add some bananas on top. Small slices of banana. Like that. Then add some groundnuts on top, like that. So this is our drink for today. So guys, this is our final drink. Let me taste. It's very yummy. The taste of peanut butter on the smoothie is good. So guys, please, if you like this video, please try this recipe and let me know how it is. And thank you so much for being here up to this moment. I appreciate you all. I thank you. Please share this video with your friends, with your family, and God will bless you. If you have not subscribed, please, you are missing a lot of these recipes. Please subscribe, turn the bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.